Check in the text below, and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. I purchased the dishwasher at Lowe's. I paid to have it installed, which was $149. The dishwasher was on sale for $529. I purchased the 5-year warranty, which cost $129. And then they make you buy some hoses if you're going to have them install it for $21.98. Making my total $829.95. It comes with an owner's manual that has information both in English and Spanish. You can buy parts and accessories. It gives you that information. You can buy a premium care plan, which I purchased for mine. Here's the energy use guide. I don't intend on using the heat cycle on mine at all, so mine will probably be a little bit lower than that. Comes with a quick start guide. It has a little rubber suction, or has a suction cup on the back of it, so I guess you can put it somewhere handy as long as it's a smooth surface. Gives you some loading and operating tips. And it comes with a plan to register and get the value on your care plans if you want to do that. Some reasons why I chose this dishwasher. It has a stainless steel interior. I did not want a plastic interior. Has a very conveniently located detergent trap, a place to put rinse aid, which I do use. Rolls easily. And mine's a little old Tommy that it has the silverware basket. It does have like these things that you can put on top of it. I don't use these. I use that one in the back, but I hardly ever have more than this much silverware, so I normally just keep this one up here so I know where it is. It has a pull-out rack, has a spinner on the top part, has a spinner on the bottom part, which was important to me. And gotta make sure that this doesn't come apart, and I don't think that it does. So, haven't cleaned it in a while. Need to clean it again. But very, very pleased with this dishwasher. Very pleased with it. Highly recommend. That's my ancient freezer you hear in the background. I cut it off while I was filming the sound of the dishwasher. The reason why I love this dishwasher, I can put very large objects in there. It has like a little fold down. It's easy to manipulate. I can get very large items in here with no trouble at all. It cleans everything. Let's hear how loud it is. Not very loud at all, correct? Two years later, I'm perfectly happy with my LG dishwasher. Listen to how loud it is. It isn't loud at all. It does a wonderful job on getting my dishes clean. I have absolutely no complaints about this dishwasher. I highly recommend it. It has a little LED indicator telling you how much time is left in the wash cycle, which I appreciate. And that's about as loud as it gets. When the cycle is finished, it displays the word end. This is what I found in my filter after having the dishwasher for just a few months. So they do filters do have to be taken out and cleaned. And get this one out. Maybe it doesn't come out that way. Looks like it does not. So I'm going to rinse it out in the sink. See if that works. That's looking better. I think my other one, this came out, but this one looks like it's not wanting to come out. Also, see a little bit of residue on top of this grid. So I'm going to wash that. I can actually move this out of the way to get to the filter. And this goes in. Awkwardly, I might add. And that's how it goes. And to take it out, just pull it up. It's a little tight, very tight fit, but that's how that goes. And that's just spin freely. Put the bottom rack back in. And we are ready to clean again. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.